How to make text appear and disappear on TikTok videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually make text appear as well as disappear in TikTok videos. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, basically what we want to do is simply make sure we have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, type in TikTok and go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. Now, in order to actually first make text appear as well as disappear in TikTok video, I'm going to simply first of all try to record a certain video in order to show you how you can add text. So I'm going to tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. As I tap on the plus button, I'm going to let camera. So simply tap on the check button at the bottom right side screen. You know, tap on this check button and then wait until the video has been loaded. Now first of all, I'm going to simply actually volume and lower the volume right over here so that you will not be disturbed because of my audio. Now what you could do is, in order to add a certain text to it, I'm going to simply tap on the text icon on the top right hand side of the screen. Once I tap on the text icon, I'm going to simply go ahead and enter a random text. Once you enter a random text, tap on the done button and you can see this text right over here. Let me just zoom out a little bit, and let's say that you actually want to make this text appear and disappear during a TikTok video. I'm going to simply tap on it once right over here. As you tap on it, you'll find a button which says just set duration. So go ahead and simply tap on set duration. And right here you want to actually select the duration up to when you want the text to appear as well as disappear. So go ahead and adjust this according to your own size and needs. Now this really actually depends upon you. When you want the text to actually appear, you can move this first slider there. When you want it to disappear, you can drag the second slider to that point. Once done, you can go ahead and tap on the check icon at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Now you'd basically be able to see the changes. You can see right over here the text is actually going to appear as well as disappear. Now this is basically the functionality of the text, and this is the way on how you could very easily make your text appear as well as disappear in TikTok videos. We hope this video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.